Hello everyone. Today we will discuss on the topic signal detection in pharmacovigilance. Firstly, we see the definition of what is pharmacovigilance. Pharmacovigilance, it is the science and activity related to the detection, assessment, understanding and prevention of adverse event or any other drug related problem. Signal detection, it is the one of the core component of the pharmacovigilance. The definition of signal detection according to the WHO, it is a reported information on a possible causal relationship between the adverse event and drug. The relationship being unknown or incompletely documented previously. In pharmacovigilance, the signal detection which refer to the process of identifying new and emerging safety issues associated with the pharmaceutical products. This process is crucial for ensuring drug safety and efficacy of post-marketing. A signal in pharmacovigilance that the information that arises from one or multiple sources that suggest a new potentially causal associations or new aspect of unknown association between a drug and adverse event. Signal can emerge from the various data sources such as clinical trial, spontaneous reporting systems, literature, and observational studies. We see the importance of the signal detection in pharmacovigilance. Primary aim of the signal detection is to ensure patient safety by identifying risk associated with medication early enough to implement regulatory action or further investigations. Effective signal detection can lead to timely interventions, identify risk, allow for prompt update to labeling, warning, or even withdrawal of the product from the market. Second point is the informed prescriptions. Healthcare professional can make better informed decision, enhancing patient safety. Then another point is the risk management. Signal can inform risk minimization strategies, enhancing the pharmacovigilance practice. Now we see the point. Sources of the data for the signal detection. Signal detection relies on the various data sources such as first one is the spontaneous reporting sources. This system allows the healthcare professional and the patient to report adverse event voluntarily. Then second point is the clinical trials. In this data from the phase 4 studies and post-marketing studies can provide insight into the drug safety and in a large population over extended period. Third point is the electronic health record. In this, which provide real-world data that can highlight trends and associated that may not be evident in the clinical trials. Fourth one point is the literature review. In this, published case report and studies can help to identify the potential signal that require further investigation. Then the fifth point is the online source and the social media. Increasingly, these platforms are used to gather patient feedback and experience related to the use of drug. Now we see the methodologies for the signal detection. Several methodologies are involved in the signal detection. First one is the descriptive studies or descriptive analysis. In this involve analyzing the reports and for trends and pattern in adverse event reports such as frequency and the demographics pattern. Then second is the statistical method. In this technique likes the disproportionality analysis or the proportional reporting ratio are commonly used to assess whether the particular drug is associated specific adverse event more than expected. Then third technique is the data mining techniques. In this, advanced algorithm and machine learning techniques can analyze large data sets for the pattern and that may indicate signals. This method can help to detect the complex relationship that traditional method might miss. Then fourth one is the signal prioritization. Once a signal are detected, they must be prioritized based on the factors such as the severity of the adverse event, size of the patient population exposed, and the availability of the effective risk mitigation strategies. Now we see the next point, that is the challenges in the signal detections. While signal detection is a vital aspect of the pharmacovigilance, it exists several challenges such as data quality and completeness. Incomplete or biased reporting can hinder accurate signal detection, leading to underreporting or the misclassification of adverse event. Then second is the signal overload. The large volume of data can result in numerous potential signals, which complicating the analysis and prioritization process. Then third one is the complexity of the signal. Some signal may arise from the confounding factors such as comorbidities and concomitant medications or underlying conditions and complicating the analysis. Then fourth one is the regulatory variations. Different regulatory agencies have varying studies, standard and practice for signal detection and assessment, which can affect the consistency of the findings. Regulatory bodies like FDA and EMA provide guidelines for the signal detection. The ICH E2E Pharmacovigilance Guideline outline essential process for the ongoing safety monitoring. Collaboration among pharmaceutical companies, healthcare provider, regulatory agencies is encouraged to improve the signal detection efforts. Signal detection in pharmacovigilance is the essential activities that help safeguard public health by identifying potential drug safety issues. While it involves various methodologies and the data sources, challenges remain that the continuous improvement. So that's all about the signal detection in the pharmacovigilance. Thank you.